Check it, check it, check it. When I'm on that court, magic time.
Yeah.
It be that time of month, be my Valentine.
Yeah.
Nigga, I ain't playing, but I get your girl and I'm spraying. My cum that is, she licking up my cum that is, drinking rum that is.
Yeah.
I don't give a fuck, your girlfriend is a must. And if I got her, take her, then I'm in full throttle, I thrust. I don't even got a damn, and if you stink, I'm smelling must. Little nigga, I just stink on that weed, I mean I weed. Yeah, chiefing up, I chief. Chiefing up, I chief. I don't give a damn, nigga. Fuck them laws, nigga. Fuck them police. I hate when they pull my ass over and I gotta roll down my window when I'd rather be at home playing Sega Genesis Nintendo. I don't even give a damn. I'm on that grass and I'm mowing. Pockets hella big. But fuck Samoans, I don't give a fuck, they stay swollen. I'm just in that fucking pool. I got your girlfriend in my bed, and when she sleeps, she always drool. Nigga, yeah, I be going hard. Yeah, I'm never going soft. All I do is roll around. I pass that weed because I cough. And we always from that north. L that is, the L that is. I rep it cause it's the L that is. Will hit you, you can't spell that is. Yeah, I be lighting up. Yeah, I be just lighting, bruh. I don't give a damn. Niggas left and right be fighting, bruh. But I gotta light it up. I gotta spite it up. I spit it up, rip it up. Niggas coming at me when I rip them up.
Rip them up. Coming at me when I rip them up. Sit on your bitch, she gon' lick it up. Lick it up, she lick it up. I don't give a fuck. Back it up like a beat truck. J-Dub know I gotta get stuff. That's talking about the cash and your girlfriend stuff. Stunting on niggas.
Stunting on niggas.
We stunting on niggas and stunting on hoes. I'm stunting in clothes.
Okay.
Designer. All my shit designer. Hit it from behind while your girlfriend is a whiner. Behind her. I'm just right behind her. Hit it from behind. And I know I had the spiner. Had the spear. Doobie had the spear. And I'm in the face like some fucking aloe vera. Gotta rub it in, J-Dub, I be bustin' in. Chillin' with two yellow twins. Know that they gon' fuck with him. That's me, baby, J-Dub. Girls be like, I'm a groupie. I don't give a fuck, I'ma suck him up like no straw, no smooth thing. We goes in, we goes out. Your girlfriend, she knows about this long dick that I be giving to her. You a bitch, nigga, you ain't spitting to her. She just coming over, bring me your paper. Take her home and then I fuck her later. I ain't even tripping, got a girl named Later. How many times did I fuck her later? I don't really know my nigga. I don't know. Pull up slow, 250 fucking 4. Hit the damn door, on branch till I go. Shout out Rome D. Shout out to my nigga fucking free. Girls on me like a fucking honey bee. Say that I'm sweet with my game when I'm talking. J-Dub it, baby, I don't talk, I be walking.
Yeah, that he be walking it up. I'm sitting and sliding. Your girl is a must, and I be just riding, and she come in the bus. And we just train her. Yeah, we just gon' train her. We gon' take her to the back and bang my music. Plus, we bang her. Bang her. We bang her. Yeah, nigga, we bang her. And if she try to one, we might just wrap around and strangle her. Nigga. We gon' go off, but it's cool.
Press that.